Goldenseal's vibrant yellow root has a rich history in traditional medicine, celebrated especially for its broad-spectrum antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory powers. Ready to know its golden benefits? Here are 10 practical ways Goldenseal can support your health, each ending with a recipe or tip you can try. 1. Soothes digestive tract infections. Goldenseal shines when it comes to fighting uncomfortable digestive tract infections thanks to berberine, its active compound. It's really great because it helps fight off those nasty bacteria and gets your gut healing. A happy gut means a happy you, right? Research has shown that berberine is pretty awesome for your gut health, especially when you're dealing with infections. It helps keep everything in balance. Thinking about trying Goldenseal? It's super simple. Just grab a teaspoon of the dried root, toss it in some hot water, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. You'll have a tasty brew ready to enjoy in no time. Sip on it twice a day, whenever those pesky stomach bugs come knocking. Trust me, it can really help. 2. Treats skin infections. Goldenseal's antimicrobial properties make it a natural ally for stubborn skin woes, such as cuts, rashes, or fungal spots. Goldenseal is packed with berberine, which goes after bacteria and fungi, helping to cut down on infections and irritation. It's like nature's little shield for your body. For a soothing home remedy, dilute Goldenseal tincture with water and gently dab it onto affected skin with a clean cotton ball. 3. Supports immune health. When you're feeling run down, Goldenseal may give your body the boost it needs. This root is believed to boost white blood cell activity and works like a mild, herbal antibiotic. Nature always gives us these little helpers. Some studies really show that it can boost your immune system, making your body stronger and better at fighting off those pesky germs. Take Goldenseal supplements during periods of illness, always following dosage instructions. 4. Promotes oral health. Goldenseal can help keep your mouth fresh and healthy by fighting oral bacteria and soothing gum irritation. Swishing with a diluted Goldenseal tincture or mouthwash twice a day can help reduce inflammation and support oral hygiene, especially when gums feel tender. 5. Relieves respiratory infections. Find yourself battling congestion or a nagging cough? Goldenseal is a game changer when it comes to clearing out mucus and soothing inflammation in your respiratory system. It's like giving your lungs a gentle hug. Drink a cup of Goldenseal tea made from dried root when colds or bronchitis slow you down. It's a golden classic for clearer breathing. 6. Supports liver detoxification. Goldenseal is known to stimulate bile flow and aid liver function, supporting your body's natural detox systems. To gently encourage detoxification, incorporate Goldenseal tea or supplements into your wellness routine. Looking for a refreshing boost to help your body cleanse itself? This is the perfect way to feel lighter and more energized. You'll absolutely love how great you'll feel. 7. Reduces inflammation and swelling. Muscle aches and minor swelling can benefit from Goldenseal's soothing touch. Applied as a poultice, Goldenseal's anti-inflammatory effect helps ease swelling and promote comfort. To try this, mix Goldenseal root powder with warm water and apply the paste to swollen areas for quick relief. 8. Helps wounds heal faster. Goldenseal is like a little miracle worker. Its mix of antimicrobial and healing properties makes it just right for treating those pesky minor wounds. You'll love how effective it is. Studies have noted faster recovery with topical Goldenseal uses. To take advantage, clean your scrape and gently apply a diluted Goldenseal tincture or cream to speed up the healing process. 9. Helps manage digestive disorders. Those with digestive troubles like IBS may find Goldenseal helpful, as it soothes gut inflammation and encourages regularity. Add a cup of mild Goldenseal tea to your routine when symptoms flare, always checking with a healthcare provider before long-term use if you have chronic conditions. 10. The ultimate healing paste. Goldenseal, known for its natural healing properties, teams up with turmeric, famous for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, to create an incredible DIY healing paste. This combination not only soothes irritated skin, but also promotes overall wellness, making it a must-try for anyone seeking natural remedies. Mix equal parts powdered Goldenseal root and turmeric with coconut oil to form a thick paste. Apply it to wounds or stubborn skin infections to support quick, natural healing and fight microbes in one bright, golden blend. Goldenseal is truly a golden defender in your herbal toolkit, ready to brighten your health with every use. Want to spice up your routine a bit? Try these amazing recipes that blend a dash of tradition with some solid science-backed care. They're not just delicious, but also packed with benefits that can make your day feel a little brighter. In our next video, we'll dive into a pink flower, beloved for supporting women's health. Be sure to join us for more natural wisdom and joyful well-being.